My name is Sunny Leong and I'm the Chief Executive of Civil Service College in London, United Kingdom. Civil Service College is an executive education provider in the public sector space. We provide bespoke, high-quality training to leaders in the civil service and the wider public sector. We are honoured to have this partnership with the Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association, or CMJA, since 2018, jointly curating and delivering one of the flagship programs, Judicial Case Management and Ethics for Magistrates and Judges within the Commonwealth.
The CMJA and Civil Service College, we offer two courses. One course is the Judicial Case Management and Ethics course, and also the practical course for coroners and judges.
The key features of the judicial case management are the field visits. So there are study visits to courts across London, Westminster Magistrates Court, the Supreme Court, London County Court. This also includes sitting in on live court cases, and the tutor judges do attend as well for any questions that are needed to be asked.
The course is run by senior judges and magistrates in the United Kingdom. We provide pedagogical aspects to the program itself. The delegates will obviously benefit from learning from practicing judges. At the same time, seeing how these work in practice. At the same time, they will also meet fellow judges and magistrates from right across the Commonwealth so that they can keep in touch with each other when they get back to their respective countries and forge close relationships at the same time to benefit from exchange of ideas amongst themselves. Most
of the participants who have attended this course tend to find it very useful because, as I mentioned, they have a safe space to express their views, and they've really enjoyed the course because it's opened their eyes to what happens in the courts, especially in the UK, which their jurisdictions are mainly based upon.
This year's course has been slightly different to the previous courses that we've run because it's been virtual. The advantage of this virtual learning is that you have got 24-hour support from the members of the Civil Service College and the tutor judges. I think delegates should come on this course because the tutor judges are there from day one to the end of the course and even after to help and support the delegates to further their education in the judicial case management system.